Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question. Our today's question is, what is the minimum distance from the surface to be examined that must be cleaned before conducting a magnetic particle test as per ASME Section 5? So this is a very straightforward question. How much area or how much distance you have to clean before conducting ASME Section 5? So the correct answer is 1 inch or 25 mm. 1 inch or 25 mm is the area on the job which needs to be cleaned before conducting magnetic particle test. Means suppose if you have to conduct MPI on this surface, so the adjacent 25 mm area needs to be cleared, and any foreign particle like dust, grease, lint, scale, welding flux, spatters, oil, or any other foreign material must be cleaned as per ASME Section 5, and this is given in Article 7 T 741.1b. So friends, I would request you to please join my channel if you have not done it yet. And with this, we have come to an end of our today's video. Thank you very much.